If you're into automation, chances are you've heard of n8n and Zapier. Both tools are designed to make your life easier by automating tasks and workflows. Zapier's been around for a while, helping users connect their favorite apps and services. n8n, on the other hand, is a more recent player in the field but has quickly gained popularity for its flexibility and open source nature. Many users love Zapier for its ease of use and extensive library of integrations. However, some find it restrictive, especially when it comes to customizing workflows. The costs can also add up, which makes users look for alternatives. I've seen users struggle with Zapier's rigid workflow structures, and sometimes it just doesn't scale well for complex needs. n8n, being open source, offers a level of customization that Zapier can't match. Its workflow editor is super intuitive, allowing users to create complex workflows with ease. The fact that n8n is open source means that it can be self-hosted, giving users more control over their data. One of the things that sets n8n apart is its ability to handle complex workflows without breaking a sweat. Zapier can struggle with intricate workflows, often requiring users to pay for more expensive plans. n8n's AI agent, on the other hand, handles these with ease. It's also more cost-effective, which is a big plus for users who are looking to save some bucks. For a marketer who needs to automate a multi-step workflow involving lead generation, email marketing, and CRM updates. With Zapier, you might find yourself limited by the available integrations or bogged down by costs. n8n allows you to create a seamless workflow that ties all these tools together. Its AI agent can automatically handle data processing and decision making. Recapping, n8n's AI agent offers a more flexible, cost-effective, and intelligent solution compared to Zapier. When handling complex workflows or providing customization options, n8n seems to have the upper hand.
Are you still doing repetitive tasks that could be automated? Hey, I am Ibrahim Malik, and in this course, I'll show you how to master two powerful tools, okay? Zapier and n8n. So whether you want to build an AI-powered chatbot, automate your emails, or grow your freelance business, I'll guide you step by step in this course. With real-world demos, downloadable templates, and smart workflows you can deploy today, right? So this isn't just theory, it's automation in action. So if you're ready to save time, scale up, and earn more, enroll now, and let's build your automation superpower. I'll see you in the course.